Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn 10 lines on Charminar. Charminar is a famous monument located in Hyderabad, India. It was built in 1591 by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. The name Charminar means four pillars in Urdu. It has four grand arches and four tall minarets, making it unique. Charminar is made of granite and limestone, showcasing beautiful architecture. It was built to mark the end of a deadly plague in Hyderabad. The monument has a mosque on the top floor where people pray. It is surrounded by a bustling market called Laad Bazaar. Charminar is a symbol of Hyderabad's rich history and culture. Visiting Charminar is a great way to learn about India's heritage and art. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.